Okay. Help Mama. You know where that goes. Very good. Let me have it. Let me have it. Oh, okay. You do it yourself. There you go. Push it. Oh, never mind. We're going to go over here. Careful. I'll take this one. Hold on. Thank you. Okay. Let's get these over here. Can you give me some more? Okay. Well, I was hoping you were going to get me the one. Thank you. Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama, honey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get the other one first. Get the red one first. Can you get the red one? I don't know if you can get the red one. It's too far for you. Almost. Here, let me get it for you. I'll take it. One more. Can you get it? Is it stuck? You want to get it? It's a heavy one. You bring it here. Thank you, sweetie. Push it up.